friends, it's Vicky from the Purple Penguin Craft Room. I'm just here to give you a quick update, let you know what's going on here in the craft room and what's going to be happening going forward. All right, so it's kind of been brought to my attention that I've got a lot to do, you guys. I officially, as of today, have 75 days to get my butt in gear because I will be doing a live craft show, which means I will actually be in person at a venue doing my crafts, selling my crafts, not doing my crafts. I guess I'm not doing any demos, but I am going to be selling my crafts. I got 75 days starting today to get my butt together because I have a 20-foot space, 20 feet. That's 20 feet, you guys, of space that I am going to be selling my stuff in a place here in Washington State, and I've got to get my butt in gear because everything I do is handmade. There's a few random things that I cut on my 3D printer, but I'm not selling any like full-on 3D prints things. I basically use my 3D printer just to make little things to go with my projects and things that I do. Everything else I cut with by wood, by hand, by paint, clay, all the things. That's me doing everything myself. So this is a one-man show right here, and I've got a lot to get going. Not only that, I've kind of upgraded my displays, and I've got 8 displays that I need to have done. I currently have 2. That's not, yeah, but it's okay. I've got a plan. I've got things in motion. But to get things done, just to sum it all up, I'm going to have to cut back doing my lives. It's also been brought to my attention, and it's not like somebody pointed this out. I've kind of known already, Facebook deletes lives after 30 days. I know that it's a thing. It's been going on for like about a year now. It's frustrating for people. I get it. So what I was gonna do was doing live, and then instead of just taking that recording and just reposting whatever, I hate that. I don't like doing that, and everybody's different. I get it if some people creators want to do that for you guys to watch tutorials, whatever. I'm going to strictly use my live time now for like kind of craft and chat, and I'm not going to be too worried about like teaching you things on it because what I'm going to do is straight up just videos, you guys. I'm going to do straight up just tutorial recordings because those stick around, and that way you can go back and watch them. That way it cuts back all of the chat and all the things that a lot of people don't like to do. But at the same time, I still want to interact with you guys. I still want to do lives because I know the lives are more interactive, more than just learning things and watching craft, whatever. So that's what's going to be happening. Instead of Monday through Friday doing lives, I'm going to switch it, and we're going to come back to Tuesday, Thursday doing lives. I am going to bump up my time to 1 o'clock Pacific, which would be 4 o'clock for you guys over on the East Coast. So that way it's going to be a little bit before your dinner instead of right at your dinner time. Hopefully that works out better for some of you guys to come and join me and hang out with me and say hi and do all the things. So, just that update is moving lives to Tuesday and Thursday, and we're going to bump them up again. So it's 1 p.m. Pacific time, which is 4 p.m. for you guys over on the East Coast, and then, all the times in between, all the special things. And of course, there's always replays if you want to go back and hang out with me and watch all the replays and see all the fun and shenanigans that happen. Totally up to you. I get it. I do have a lot of replay watchers. That's totally fine. So, that's all the things. And I will also be doing is showing off some of my work. How cute is that? She is adorable. I will be showing off some of my stuff as I create it, so that you can see what's going to be showing off in my craft show. Some of the things will be available on my website. Some of them will not. It just depends on what they are, because I will be limited on how many I can take to with me to the craft show, but also limited on how much I can make depending on the supplies I get. So, just note that those will be coming as well, just kind of periodically. I'll just be kind of dumping in little videos or short clips of things that are going to the show. All right, so keep on checking in, and we're going to kind of again switch gears, but it's okay. It's a good thing. I promise. It will work out in the end, and life will be better, and 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 we'll keep on going. All right. If you guys have any questions or comments, hit me up and in the comments section and or private message me. I will get back to you. I promise. I am trying to keep up on that as much as possible. If I don't, message me a second time just in case I didn't get it the first time. All right. You guys have a great day and enjoy your Monday.